TurboCAD 2019 includes several updates to the Unbend tool, including the addition of a progress bar for preview mode, a cancel option, and a new method for unbending. Let's demonstrate the new method for unbending. First, we'll select the Modify 3D Objects, Bending, Unbend Sheet menu command. Now we'll right-click to display the local menu, and notice our new option on the bottom of the menu, Correct Deformation Shape. Let's check it so that this is enabled for our unbend operation. And now select the face that we want to unbend. And finish. Now let's do that same thing using the TurboCAD 2018 algorithm. We'll select our local menu. This time we'll turn off the deformation shape. Select our face and finish. Note you'll see there's a little jog there related to the older algorithm, which has been corrected with the new TurboCAD 2019 algorithm. In fact, let's do one more thing. Let's unbend our shapes to confirm that our unbent will now bend back properly. Let's go to the Modify 3D Objects, Bending, Bend Sheet. We'll select our face, our bend line, and finish. And we'll do the same thing with the older algorithm. Face, bend line, finish. And when you compare these, you can see that our 2019 unbent and bent back into the original shape. The new bend algorithm provides improved consistency with bending and unbending. However, for faster bending with thin plates, the 2018 algorithm remains available with the local menu.